presented by Myth and Greet. Leave a like and subscribe.
Prometheus, the Titan whose name means the one who thinks ahead, is a central figure in Greek mythology. He is known not only as a creator, but also as a challenger of divine norms. Unlike other Titans, often depicted as wild and ruthless, Prometheus is a symbol of intelligence, cunning, and compassion for mortals. His story is not merely one of rebellion, but a profound narrative of sacrifice and resilience. Prometheus was the son of the Titan Iapetus and the Oceanid Clymene. While many of his siblings chose the path of destruction, Prometheus chose creation. After the war between the Titans and the Olympian gods, known as the Titanomachy, he aligned himself with Zeus and the Olympians. However, unlike Zeus and his siblings who saw humans as inferior and disposable beings, Prometheus saw potential in them. According to myth, it was Prometheus who shaped humanity from clay, breathing life and purpose into each figure. He gave them basic skills and taught them how to survive, but he knew that humans would never truly thrive without something more powerful: fire. However, fire was sacred, a privilege reserved only for the gods. Zeus, fearing that the power of fire would make mortals bold and dangerous, forbade its gift to humanity. Prometheus, outraged by Zeus's decision, resolved to defy him. He believed that humanity's potential should not be stifled by divine will. On a quiet night, Prometheus ascended Mount Olympus and stole a spark of the sacred fire from Helios's sun chariot. To conceal the fire's glow, he hid it within a fennel stalk, protecting the flame and allowing him to deliver it safely to mortals. When fire reached humanity, the transformation was immediate. They learned to cook, to keep warm, and to craft tools. Their lives became richer, and humanity began to thrive. Prometheus's act was not merely a physical gift, but a symbolic one. Fire represented knowledge, creation, and independence. However, this act also marked the beginning of his downfall. Zeus, enraged by Prometheus's audacity, saw his authority challenged. To him, Prometheus had not merely disobeyed, but had upended the divine order, granting mortals a power that could rival the gods themselves. Determined to punish the Titan, Zeus devised a cruel and eternal vengeance. However, Zeus's wrath was not confined to Prometheus alone. He also sought to punish humanity for the betrayal. To this end, he ordered the creation of Pandora, the first woman, whose curiosity would unleash all the evils upon the world. Pandora was sent to humanity with a jar containing disease, famine, suffering, and other afflictions. In this way, Zeus ensured that even with the gift of fire, mortals would never fully escape pain and hardship. For Prometheus, Zeus reserved a punishment far more brutal. He was taken to a remote mountain called Caucasus, where he was chained to an unbreakable rock. His chains were forged by Hephaestus himself, the god of fire and craftsmanship, who, though reluctant, was compelled to obey Zeus's command. Every day, a colossal eagle, symbol of Zeus, descended upon Prometheus, inflicting unbearable pain as it devoured part of his liver. By night, his liver would regenerate, only to be consumed again with the arrival of dawn. This torment was designed to be eternal, a cycle of endless agony that reflected the full depth of Zeus's wrath. Despite his unbearable pain, Prometheus remained defiant. He did not beg for forgiveness, nor regret his actions. He firmly believed that his sacrifice was worth it, as humanity now had the chance to thrive and challenge their own limits. This resilience made Prometheus a symbol of resistance against tyranny, even in the face of extreme suffering. Prometheus also held a secret that gave him the strength to endure his torment. He knew of a prophecy that could alter Zeus's fate. One day he confided in Hermes, the messenger of the gods, that Zeus would be overthrown by a child born of an unexpected union. However, Prometheus refused to reveal the identities of those involved, using this knowledge as his last weapon of power against Zeus. For many years, Prometheus suffered in solitude. His story became a legend among mortals, who revered him as the hero who gifted them the fire of life. Yet, Prometheus's fate was not to endure endless suffering. His salvation came through Hercules, the great Greek hero and son of Zeus. During his 12 labors, Hercules journeyed through the Caucasus Mountains and encountered Prometheus. Moved by the injustice of his punishment, Hercules slew the eagle with a single arrow and shattered the chains that bound the Titan. Although reluctant, Zeus accepted Prometheus's release, as it was part of a greater destiny even he could not defy. As a condition, Prometheus was required to wear a ring forged from the chains that had once imprisoned him, with a fragment of the Caucasus rock embedded within it, as a reminder of his disobedience. Yet this act also immortalized Prometheus as an enduring symbol of freedom and defiance. The story of Prometheus transcends mythology, becoming an archetype of defiance and sacrifice in the name of progress. He is remembered as the patron of inventors, creators, and all who challenge the status quo in pursuit of a better future. His act of stealing fire was not merely a transgression against Zeus, but a profound act of faith in humanity. Prometheus believed that mortals, despite their flaws, were capable of greatness. His suffering serves as a poignant reminder that the fight for change often comes at a great personal cost, yet the impact of such struggles can echo through generations. Prometheus embodies the notion that true power lies not just in ruling, but in empowering others to rise. Even in chains, he remained unbroken, and his flame continues to inspire those who seek the light, even in the deepest shadows. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. If there's anything you'd like to discuss or suggest, please leave it in the comments section. Thank you very much. Until next time.